I am Mav.
I'm Hannah Denise.
I'm Ira.
I'm Angie.
I'm Jennifer.
I'm Hannalyn.
So, proceeding sa ating first question for today's episode, how do you perceive gender inequality in terms of job opportunities? Anyone po who wants to share their insights? Okay, Angie.
Okay, for me, I perceive gender inequality in terms of job opportunity, which is harassment and discrimination towards women. Because women can face sexual harassment and other forms of discrimination in the workplace, which can create a hostile environment and limit their opportunities.
Ayun nga, sabi ni Angie, I'm also con sa ganito kasi nga I do believe that everyone is equal. I do not believe in discrimination because kung naniniwala ako na kung anong kaya niyong gawin is kaya rin ng iba. Kung anong kaya ko is kaya niyo rin. That's why gender inequality or gender inequality in terms of job opportunities should be seized or ended kasi nga it really creates a very hostile environment, especially sa mga babae kasi nga women, di ba, like sa mga scenarios na nababalita recently is women talaga, mga babae, yung mga mostly na naapektuhan. I mean, there are some men who have experienced gender inequality in terms of job opportunities, but um, karamihan kasi, ang pinakamalaking fraction or number ng mga victims ng gender inequality in terms of job opportunities is mga babae. Given na rin na yung view sa kanila na, okay, so parang men are more superior than women. That women are just alalay, ganon. Are just made for to be housewives, ganon. Which is, let's face it, which is so outdated and so old school. Diba?
I
Yes,
agree.
yes.
Yes.
Kayo, ano ba kayo? Pro ba kayo or con sa gender inequality? Hi! Sino po next? Go, Madam Ira.
Dagdag lang sa sinabi ni Angie is gender inequality in the workplace, unequal opportunities, because salaries and positions for women due to traditional gender roles of interior types. For example, a female engineer who is more qualified but not promoted because a man was chosen instead. So yung female engineer is nag-apply bilang engineer siya and hindi siya magiging promoted just because she is a girl and dapat ang mapopromote is a male.
Diba? Like, being a woman or being a man, um, like, hindi siya dapat magiging dahilan kung bakit hindi mo makuha yung certain na trabaho na to. Kasi hindi naman din ma-handle yun eh. Like,
Yes, I agree naman. And sa generation natin ngayon, hindi na parang hindi na siya hindi na siya nino-normalize yung pagiging women is nasa bahay na lang doing a household. Ngayon, sa generation natin ngayon, men and women is pareha na or equal na nga. Kumbaga, parehas na silang nagtatrabaho. Yun lang.
yeah. Okay, Jennifer, Madam, go.
Totoo. And all women can, they can show us na kaya din nilang gawin everything na ginagawa ng mga men in this our generation. Like yung dati nagagawa lang ng mga men, ngayon ay napapakita na ng mga babae na kaya din nilang sabayan kung ano man yung mga kayang gawin ng mga lalaki.
We agree. And also kasi, yung tingin ng iba kapag yung babae is may leadership quality, nape-perceive nila yun as aggressive. Kapag yung lalaki naman is normal thing lang. Parang decisive.
Yeah, and like, magigibigay lang ako ng example like, para ano lang yung, point ko. Like, another example is yung mga Salem witch trials, with air quotes. Di ba mostly ang mga nagiging victims or mga napuput sa trials, witch trials noong early years is puro mga babae. Why? Because they tried to speak up. Dahil kaya sila nakaranas ng ganun kasi they think that women are not allowed to or doesn't have the capabilities of doing so, and that women who have the capabilities are witches, are considered witch. Kasi nga they're not supposed to do that pero nagagawa nila, di ba? Narinig ba ako kanina? Pero hindi na ko
Yes,
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
So with with all that proven, let's move on to the second Q&A. 8. Ayan, so moving on, we have our second question. What do you think is the view of the Catholic Church on this specific topic? Like, do you think na pro ba ang Catholic Church sa gender inequality in terms of job opportunities, or con sila? Like, agree ba sila or disagree sa topic na yan? Anyone po who want to like to share? Go, Angie.
Okay. For me, view of the Catholic Church on this specific topic, I think disagree sila kasi the view of this topic in the Catholic Church is that we have a gender inequality nga. One of those things is that we can see that they believe that men and women have a complementary rules with men as the leaders and women as the followers. Because of the belief of Catholic Church that priests represent the male figure of Jesus and the historical tradition of the church. And lastly, they maintain that only men can be priest. And makikita naman natin sa church ng Catholic is lahat ng pare, yun nga, may lahat. And yung mga sumusunod or yung followers is women na.
And also, another proof, add ko lang doon sa sinabi ni Angie, napanood kasi akong movie, like The Dark Nuns, nirelease siya no, yung 2025 lang din. And then, sinabi doon na nuns, or yung babae, nuns are not like, they are not like, parang di sila pinapayagan ng church na mag-conduct ng exorcisms kahit capable sila. Because why? Kasi babae sila. Okay. And also, ay go tol. Sorry. Tol.
Sorry, Gagi. Pinakain mo yung tropo.
Share ka ba ng insights?
Ay, ito wait mo. What do you think of the view of the Catholic Church in schools of education? The Catholic kasi generally it promotes the dignity and equality of all people, including in work. Uh, it's spoken against discrimination and for equal pay for equal work. And but in traditionally, the church has also emphasized distinct roles for men and women, which can sometimes influence their stance on gender roles in society.
True din yan. Ay, eto pala, share ko lang.
Sige, go, go, go.
Go, go.
Galing siya sa www.reuters.com, Reuters as in reuters.com. So it states here that, and I quote, also this was published on March 8, 2023, and it said that, and I quote, Pope Francis on Wednesday decried violence and prejudice against women and said granting equal pay and opportunities can create a more friendly environment, something like that. Which I second kasi um, I think that Pope Francis said this because he viewed the men and women as equal based on Bible facts. Okay, so I think there was something stated in the Bible na no, though hindi siya explicitly stated, but implicitly it was stated that men and women are equal. Despite having their differences, they are equal, equally made by God, shalalala, blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. Which I really second. Kasi nga, hello, nasa 2025 na tayo, and inequality is the new in, and inequality is out. That's my take. So, and anyone po, mag-share ng insights pa nila. Before tayo mag-move sa third question natin. Yes, Tal. Go, Angie.
Okay, and ayun nga, yung additional na lang sa sinabi mo. Sa generation kasi natin ngayon, is equality na talaga. And yung inequality kasi is, hindi siya, parang hindi na siya ma-apply this in this generations. Kasi, you know, um, for me kasi yung mga, sabi nga ni Jennifer dun sa first question, ang mga nagagawa ng babae, ay ng mga lalaki dati is, kaya na din gawin ng babae. And so ngayon parang, hindi na natin gaanong na-apply yung inequality sa generation natin ngayon.
True. Ayun, nagtataas ka po ng kamay kanina. Go, Madam Jennifer.
Meron din kasing mga women na inaabuso nila yung iyan sa gender equality na ang tingin kasi nila is if gender equality is more on women's power. But may time na natatapakan na nila yung mga or mga ano ng mga lalaki. Kaya masyadong na naaabuso ng mga iba yung paniniwala nila sa gender equality.
True din yun. Agree din ako sa stand na yan. Pero I think kaya nila naisip na gano'n na about sa women lang yung gender inequality campaigns and stuffs is kasi I think akin lang to pero parang napapansin ko kasi na parang puro women or mga babae lang lagi nakaka-experience ng gender inequality. That's why I think iniisip din nila na okay, gender inequality to. Gender equality campaign to. Para sa amin to, para sa mga women to, para sa mga babae to. Ayun, kaya siguro ganun ang isip nila.
Wait lang, sorry.
Malayuan ko na kaya, tol.
Wait lang.
Layuan mo na.
May ng bahay kaya nandito ang tangkas eh.
Anyone po additional? Bago tayo mag-move sa third question natin. Go, madam.
Add ko lang din, kaya like yung gender equality is para siyang nagiging woman's power. Kasi minsan may mga kalalakihan na like takot silang magsalita kasi kapag parang yung paniniwala nila kapag lalaki ka, kailangan like parang matapang ka, hindi ka dapat ganyan, hindi dapat ganito. Kaya more on, mas mataas yung rate ng mga babae na victim kasi hindi nagsasalita yung ibang lalaki.
Okay.
For me, kaya nagiging women empowerment yung gender inequality kasi yun nga, hindi naman na tayo sa panahon ng kopong-kopong na which is yung babae is nasa bahay na lang doing nandyan na lang sa bahay, gumagawa ng household. Kaya siguro yung mga babae is much vocal sila in terms of gender inequality kasi sila lang parang karamihan is women talaga yung nakakaranas in terms of gender inequality.
Ayan, so, moving on, bago tayo lumayo sa topic natin, let's move on to the next question, or the last question for today's episode. Ito, do you think the church's view is outdated or up-to-date sa gender inequality in terms of job opportunities? Do you think the church's view on this topic is outdated or up-to-date? Especially nung na-mention ko yung stand ni Pope Francis doon sa topic na yon. Anyone po who wants to share their insights? Go, madam.
For me, the Catholic Church is outdated pa din hanggang ngayon in terms of gender inequality because yun nga, Catholics are one of the church or of religion that have a certain rule to follow, which is they have belief nga na lalaki lang or men is can be a priest or ayun pare and women should be a follower. And yun din. And additional then one of a certain rule to follow na din sa kanila is just like the celebration of a sacraments of their celebration nga because of no one can add anything to them on their own authority.
Go, Luis.
Ang opinion ko lang dito, whether the Catholic Church view on gender inequality is updated or up to date is a matter of interpretation. Some argue that the church focus on traditional family structures and roles may not adequately address the complexities of modern gender dynamics and the need for greater inclusivity in the workplace. Others maintain that the church emphasis on human dignity and the common good provides a strong foundation for promoting equality and justice for all, regardless of gender. Ultimately, the church stance on gender inequality is a complex issue with a diverse perspectives. Po.
And ayun nga, I do agree that na Catholic Church, they believe na um, yung lalaki na priest is a figure of Jesus. So, yun yung pinaglalaban nila in terms of um, Catholic Church. Yung belief nila na dapat lalaki nga lang talaga yung magiging priest or pare because of their belief nga na yun, male is a figure of Jesus.
Thank you for those opinions. Pero, ato akin lang din to ulit ha. Pero, I think that, ay nga, tulad ng nasabi ko na nga kanina, yung stand ni Pope Francis sa topic na ito is, I think na up to date, or not completely up to date, pero medyo nakakahabol na, medyo up to date na rin yung opinion, yung view ng Catholic Church sa gender inequality in terms of job opportunities. Kasi nga, um, dahil marami ng tao rin ang nag-voice out. Wait, narinig ba?
Ah,
Yes, yes.
Sorry. May lolo kasi ang akin eh. Kaya nga, dahil nga marami rin nag-voice out sa topic na to, and katulad nga sabi ko kanina, medyo napahapyawan din sa Bible na men and women are both equal. Kaya na-conceive din. Kumbaga, nakumbinsa rin medyo nakumbinsa rin yung Catholic Church to na medyo mag-lighten up sila ng konti sa topic na to. Diba?
Yeah, yes. And ayun din, siguro sa pag-voice out na din ng iba is, ayun, parang medyo naging open-minded na din sila. And ayun nga, hindi na lang din sa Kristan, tama ba? Sa Kristan na lalaking makikita natin sa simbahan, which is we have a women sa Kristan na din in our generation ngayon.
Go,
But
madam.
marami pa din mga tumatahol or mga nagsasabi na if magiging babae nga daw yung mga papalit sa or magiging pare or what. O, sinasabi nila na parang wala naman daw saysay, wala daw power or hindi sila makikinig sa mga ganyan kasi babae lang daw sila. Parang mas pinupush talaga nila na mas paniwalaan yung lalaki kaysa sa mga babae. Na pwede namang pareho lang din sila ng instinct or ng mga pinaniniwalaan.
Yun, gusto mention natin yung mga saklas at na pwedeng i-take over ng women. At regarding dun sa topic na yun, I think that we, like parang whatever, kung ano man ang qualifications nila sa mga roles na yon, given na independent sila and wala dapat tayong say, or dapat di tayo makikialam sa mga qualifications nila sa priest and sacristans. I think that that is like a separate story. Like what we're talking about is like the corporate world, how the church views this. Pero, ayun, that could count. Thank you sa mga opinions niya. Anyone po who wants to share further insights about the topic or about the last question po? Go, madam.
Yeah, okay. So for me, I think, kasi since I'm not a Catholic, but I will still give my perspective on this. So, based sa mga nakikita ko, some view the church yung wait lang. Wait lang. Yung iba nakikita yung church sa topic na gender role as outdated when it comes to modern expectations like equality in leadership roles, while yung iba naman nakikita na yung teachings is timeless or walang date, pwedeng mayus since noon hanggang ngayon. So I think uh, whether yung whether outdated or up to date yung teachings sa church, it still depends sa tao kung paano papahalagahan ng isa yun nga yung value ng church.
Rights or opinions, perceptions, anything? Ayan, so parang wala na tayong, parang is-spell, okay? Parang wala na is-spell. So to wrap it up, again, that is our episode for today. About the gender inequality in terms of job opportunities and yung perception ng Catholic Church doon. Again, I am Mav.
I am Ira.
I am Angie.
I am Jennifer.
I am Reese.
I am Paul.
And thank you for watching The Hunt with the Hunters, where we hunt and talk about the most talked issues in our country. That's all, and thank you. Bye-bye.
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 Bye.
Bye.
Bye.